For our first runner-up, okay. At sige, ang nabiling gali ang... So, ang atong tawagon na ang champion. Ang first runner-up. Okay, and ang wala tawag automatic. Oo, ang 1,000 pesos! Grabe! Grabe ka, generous. Congratulations! Our first runner-up! Will Survivor and Gary! The butterfly and crackers. Wow, grabe. So 10,000 for the first runner-up and 50,000 for the champion. Grabe. All the effort that paid off.